Goroka.
Speaker, question from me without notice. I'm going hard-working Minister of Culture and Tourism. Mr. Deputy Speaker, in Charlotte, Eastern Islands or Goroka, we have a triple key institution and command Ministry of Culture and Tourism. We have the National Film Institute, the National McCarthy Museum, and the Run Theatre, which also comes under the National Cultural Commission. Question to me, Mr. Speaker, I'm short that's all. Through you, Mr. Speaker, people of the Eastern Islands, Goroka, or like Saweta Sol, when in plan blong, is a triple key institution which all been established in Charlotte province. The Run Theatre, one icon blong islands, in Charlotte Eastern Islands. Suppose now you go to Goroka, by looking this icon blong mipla, I'm sorry, I'm bagarap, I'm dry. Na kunai tu I'm rust. Na mipla kat big issue. Na kind of some mipla sorry lo this lausman blong mipla. So me asking Minister, when I'm plan, I think blow you lo revive him this national icon blow you mean in Charlotte country. Number one question blow me. Number two question blow me. And this National Film Institute where I'm stopping Charlotte Goroka. National Film Institute blow Mr. Speaker, Deputy Speaker, it's a sleeping giant. The last time I'm walking, one good picture, two lo this commission, and time lo 10 piece, na tukana. Now after that, I'm walking one film coming up now. Now, when I'm planning, I think blow you look up man lo revive him this industry blow in Charlotte country. I think the last picture we all joint venture na walking and this Papa Buka. And now you play him and walk this film and stream the world now. And people are interested in that film. People are interested in our culture. So me like asking good Minister, when I'm plan thinking blow you, lo this budget, me like some money lo revive this two key institution or no what. And the last question blow me, I'm the National McCarthy Museum where I'm Shiran Long NSI, good Minister, hardworking Minister, through you, Speaker. Do you have any funding to upgrade that key institution where ME storing all key or culture blomipla, war relics blomipla? This museum was named after McCarthy or this commander of the U.S. Allied Forces, General MacArthur, because during the invasion of the Philippines, although na stop North Goroka na planning invasion of the Philippines na take off nago. That's why it was named after General MacArthur. So it's a legend. And one icon in Charlotte Eastern Islands, Goroka Islands, one time. So do you have plan to restore that museum? Thank you, Deputy Speaker.
The Minister for Culture and Tourism.
Thank you, Mr. Deputy Speaker. Mr. Deputy Speaker, me talk thank you. Long honorable member Blong. Goroka, good luck question. Let me ask him. I think first black question. He come lo ministry blow me since me come up minister long 9th of July 2024. So me talk thank you to mas. Lord this good luck ask him me tromo he come. Mr. Speaker, tourism one big industry, the country you mean. One kind of same law, not country law place ground you stop blowing. Unfortunately and sadly, for over many years, this particular ministry has been neglected by successive government. And I make no apology. I make no apology. Last year, since I became minister, there was a budget of 15 million. And before end of the year 2024, I never received that 15 million. Not even one single toy. This year I have a budget of 30 million. And even that 30 million, I have not received anything. I have gone across the country promoting culture and tourism, attending festivals, cultural events, cultural shows, making commitments. And you know, big like commitment, 300,000 to cultural festivals, cultural events, 500,000 to provincial events. To date, I have not even paid one of those commitments. Mr. Deputy Speaker, I am looking like a con man in this country. To the question of the good honorable member for Goroka, I have big plans to revive the tourism industry in our country. But if not properly supported by government, those plans are nothing, are worthless. The National Film Institute in Goroka is one of the oldest film institutes. And we can promote this film institute. We can revive it, but must be properly funded by the government. And same goes to the Round Round Theatre. I've gone there, I visited it, and I feel sorry for that particular building. It's in a very sorry state. How can I do it? I'm handicapped. Tourism is pot of gold in our country. We only talk about funding sustainable industries like tourism, like agriculture, like forestry and fisheries, but we are only paying lip service. I want to urge our government to look at maybe for next year's budget, for 2027 budget, I want to see an interventional budget where we allocate 500 million to tourism, 500 million to agriculture, fisheries and forestry. These are the backbone of the country. If we don't do it, we are going to continue to live on borrowed money. So, Mr. Speaker, me sorry through law industry where me limb, but I'm coming up with major reforms. Even our National Museum, we are still asking for money to install the new air conditioning system. Me wait yet. Me writing Pasiko come, me wait yet, na ba me wait yet. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.